Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. If in case you want to add a column to your form, there's a way to do it. However, you need to be using the new Wix forms instead of the old one. Follow along and we'll show you how. I'm going to be using this form as an example. You can edit an existing form or create a new one. It depends on you. So we're going to click on our existing form and click on Edit Form to enter the form editor window. Regardless whether you're working on a new form or an existing one, you'll be redirected to this window, which is what I call the form editor window. So go ahead and build your form by adding the fields you need to add. Once all of your fields are ready, in order to create a column, you can just simply resize a specific field and then resize another just enough to fit to another column. You can do the same for all of your other fields. And just like that, you've created a column successfully. Make sure to also preview your form on the Preview tab to see what it looks like and to test it out before saving it or publishing it. Here on the Preview tab, you can interact with it just like your visitor would. Also, go to the Settings tab and make sure that you properly name your form to easily identify it on the dashboard later on. And this is also where you can set up your confirmation message, notifications and automations, finish payment setup if needed, advanced form validations, spam filter, and set your form status where you can set an expiration date for your form and limit its submissions if needed. So go ahead and tweak these settings out according to your needs and preferences. And once you're all good, you can then click on Save to save your form. You can close this window as well. And there we have it, our new form. Click on Save on the editor to save your progress. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again so that the changes you've made to your site will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.